Welcome to another part of our Vasco Translator V4 video manual. In this chapter I will tell you what is and how to use the photo translation feature. The photo translator is one of the apps in the Vasco Translator V4. It allows you to overlay translated text onto the picture you've taken with the Vasco's camera. The feature is available in 108 languages. Would you like to see how it works? Let's move on to the device and do it step by step. In order to translate the photograph, select the photo option in the main menu. Then, select the language you want to translate to. Then, take the picture of the thing you want to translate. Here you can see the translation. If you want better readability, click the T icon at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. If you want to share the translation, click the share icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen and type in the email address. A PDF file of the translation has been sent to the given email address. That's it for this part. Now you know how to use the photo translator. I invite you to the next parts of our video tutorial, where you will learn about the other features of the Vasco Translator V4. See ya!